Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking down prerequisites so nothing blocks revenue. Verify you meet monetization thresholds or choose an alternative like affiliate links while you grow. Once done, set a clear niche and upload plan so YouTube's algorithm understands your channel. Make searchable titles and thumbnails that promise value. Next, enable two-step verification and connect or create an AdSense account. This is the gatekeeper for payouts. Make sure your payment and tax forms are complete so earnings can be deposited without delay. You now focus on content that actually earns. Start with 3 content pillars to attract predictable audiences and repeat formats that scale. Once you outline scripts, optimize metadata, put main keywords in the title and first 2 lines of the description so discovery improves. Aim for videos over 8 minutes to enable mid-rolls, but keep pacing tight to hit a 50 to 70% watch time target. This increases ad value. Finally, include natural CTAs to subscribe and watch more so sessions grow and RPM rises. You finish by turning patterns into predictable income. Regularly check RPM, CTR, retention, and traffic sources. These metrics tell you what to scale. Once a video performs, replicate the thumbnail style, title phrasing, and posting time. When something fails, run a /B tests to isolate the reason. Also diversify revenue streams with channel memberships, super chat, affiliate links, and brand deals so ad fluctuation matters less. If monetization stalls, troubleshoot by reviewing community guideline strikes, AdSense holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.